Welcome back to my channel. So I get to work and I get this. That's weird. I get to work and this pops up as I put park. Pretty cool. I think we got the new update. Let's do it. What do you guys think? Should I do it here or the app? No, I gotta get into work. Let me do it in the app, alright? Peace. Okay, let me open up the app. Software update. It's gonna take like 45 minutes or so. Usually it's faster. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, let me speed this up. I don't think you guys are gonna wait 2 minutes. I'm still haven't found out how to speed up this process through the app. If you do, comment down below. Thanks.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, update complete. Yes, I got the appointment already. Some people said it's alright. That somebody rear-ended me at a parking spot. It's better than what it was, but let's see what we got. What update did we get? Let's check it out. Okay, so we got key assignment on. What's new with the update? Mobile app, like a precondition, romance mode. Ooh. Guess me and my girl could try that out later. And some admission testing mode. Pole position. I guess I could play a little bit. Not too much work today. Oh man, game controller support. Oh, we could plug in a controller. Hey, if you know which controller works, put it in the comments. I would like to buy that and just be in my car playing video games. What update is this? Let me check. 2018.48.12.1. All right, so I got some other here. So let's try this one out just to play with it. How do you do this? Fart on demand. Press left steering left to. Oh, you hear that? Let me put it up. So I have to touch this. Whoops. Hey Elon, you're nuts. Hey, you gotta laugh at that. Hey, what do you guys think? Write that in the comment section below. This is nuts. All right, let's try out the other. All right, let's try the other Easter egg. I think it's this. Oh, my seat is warming up. All right, I got a fire in my Model 3. Ooh, it looks nice. I guess in a cold day in Miami, I'll pull it out. I pressed the screen and this song came out. Nice. All right, you press it one more time and it goes away. Oops, I almost forgot. I want to play that little racing game. Let's try this Atari. How does this work? Asteroids, no. Oh, pole position. There it goes. Pole position. So I've been reading that you could use the steering wheel But here goes. How to play, maneuver, turn steering wheel, accelerate, press down on the brake pedal to accelerate, and release to slow down. Scroll wheels to shift gears. All right, okay, let's try this out. At least one game, all right. All right. Whoa, oh yeah, whoa, that's too much, whoa, too much, whoa. All right, whoa, man, that's too, whoa, man. Okay, let's try it one more time. Whoa. Hey, it's harder than you think. Look, I'm trying. Whoa, man, I don't know how to drive. Whoa. All right. So you press on the brake. Whoa. All right, so it's actually very sensitive. Don't turn too much. Ooh, I got you. All right, I need more practice. But I think this is more fun than the other games. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I got 53-10. So can you beat my score? You probably can. That was my first time. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Prepare to qualify.